Let me show you one of my favorite updates in ADAD.ai. Once your design is ready, you now have multiple ways to make edits or changes in your design depending on how you like to work. First, there is specify edits. When you click here. If you are in the planning chat and you don't want to go to the editor to make changes manually, what you can do is describe what you want to change here. For example, I want to make the hero section blue. Now I will click on send. You can see the tech lead agent and design agent will now work together to make the edit. Now you can click on run design here. You can see the tech lead agent and the design agent will work simultaneously to make that edit. Now you expand the section here and look at the design agent and tech lead agent working. You can also see here that the tech lead agent ensures that the refining the selected component on landing, it will check that your rest of the design remains unchanged. Now you can see that the hero section is now changed. Now let's say you want more control. So you can click on edit design here. Now it will show you preparing component controls. This opens the visual editor where you can click on any component and edit it manually. You can change typography, colors, spacing, borders, alignment, everything directly from the sidebar itself. And because you are making these changes yourself, this manual editing doesn't even consume any AI credits. For example, if I click on the font here of the knowledge companion and I change it to 50 and I click on save edits. Now as you can see, the font size is changed and it didn't cost you a single credit. But here's something I really like. So when I click on a component, even inside the editor, you can still use AI. Instead of manually changing every property, just you can describe in the prompt box what you want. If you want to make the background black, or if you want to change the font size, if you want to insert the image, it will change you with the help of prompt. And now you can see the credit usage details below. You'll notice the estimated credit usage before you submit the request. So you always know what exactly it will cost. Most edits are around zero point 0.6 credits, roughly zero point 0.1 credits for understanding your instruction and zero point 0.5 credits for updating the component. So you really get best of both worlds. If you want something pixel perfect control, edit everything manually with zero AI credits. And if you want to move faster, just prompt the AI whether you are in the main chat or you are inside the editor or the component box and let it handle the changes for you. And the credit usage remains constant.